Natural law is a philosophical concept, suggesting that certain rights and moral principles are inherent to human nature and independent of government. The term natural implies that these laws are discovered through reason, rather than created by a specific legislative body or ruler. Think of it as a moral compass that exists regardless of where you live or which laws your country has on the books. These principles focus on the idea that humans possess certain rights, like the right to life and liberty, simply by existing. The main difference is that positive law is established by governments through statutes, whereas natural law acts as a standard to critique those laws. While modern legal systems rely heavily on written codes, the influence of natural law remains a cornerstone in arguments for human rights. This perspective reminds us that the legitimacy of rules often depends on their alignment with fundamental human values. Understanding these foundations helps clarify how our systems of rights evolved. Please like and subscribe for more educational content.